We are on day 3 of voting. She is in 4th place currently as I film this, and I just want to thank each and every one of you for your vote. Since she was able to lift up a paintbrush, my mom has been meticulously helping her curate and hone in her skill. Anytime my mom has a project going on, she makes sure to include her grandchildren, and in that has taught them amazing skills, confidence to try things on their own. Not only that, their artwork is then displayed publicly.
This is funny. I should have started on this side though.
And it reads right to left.
I know, that's why I said I should have started on that side.
By the time Halloween had come around, my mom had finished the entire project. We came to see all of her hard work and, of course, the project that the kids got to do themselves. You may or may not have noticed that this is slightly based off of my husband and I's life together. I may not have blonde hair or purple hair currently, but I did, and all of the characters are based off of the different hairstyles I've had in the past.
We're the stars, Brady. Okay, thank you, I will. I know. We don't know who that is. All the girls are me with different colored hair, my mom told me. That one's my favorite because this is where my kids helped paint, and that's my kids. This is Serenity and that's Roman, so that's my favorite. That's my favorite part of the whole thing. It looks so good. It's all finished. We're the stars. Hey. There's me again. That does look like you, Serenity. You're crying over Sushi Train. Sushi Train's menu is to read all these. Start on this wall. I saw it. This is cute. It's funny. She believed she could, so she did.
Thank you again to everyone who's voted. Please continue to vote. Every 24 hours, you can place a new free vote in. And again, if you wanted to donate, it's $1 per vote with a $10 minimum. Thank you again so much for supporting our girl. She is so proud of all the support she's been getting. Bless you all and have a great day. If you vote for her today, we'd love to hear about it.